6 to the power x is equal to 18. What is the power of x? First of all, 6 to the power x is equal to 6 times 3. Now log 6 to the power x is equal to log of 6 times 3. Then log 6 to the power x is equal to log 6 plus log 3. Then divided by log 6 divided by log 6. Log 6 will be cancelled. X is equal to log 6 divided by log 6 plus log 3 divided by log 3. Log 6 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1 plus log 3 log 3. Log 3 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1. This is the value of x. Answer.
How to simplify 8 power 14 plus 8 power 14 is equal to what? At first, 8 power 40 common. First bracket start 8 power 40 divided by 8 power 40, that is 1, plus same as 8 power 40, 8 power 40, that is 1. So we can write here 8 power 40 is same as 2 power 3 bracket 14 times 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here we can apply this exponential rules that a power m bracket n same as a power mn. So we can apply this exponential rules. 2 to the power 3 times 14. 3 times 14, that is 42 times 2. 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. According to this rules that a power m times a power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So according to this rules that 2 by 2 same base but different power, but so we can write here 2 to the power 42 plus 1. So we can write here 2 to the power 42 plus 1, that is 43. This is the final answer.